So the next one here in this class, example 6 and 7. Okay, so let's go to 6, page 141. Okay, let me read the question for us. So figure is given, so let's just draw that. Something like this is given, like this. A, D, O, and B and C. So given to us in the figure. Okay, in the figure, this much is given to us. OA into OB equal to OC into OD. With this we have to show, that means in other words to prove that angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. So let's start the proof. Let's take this 2 here. Okay, you can just start here. OA into OB equal to OC into OD, like this also we can do. And let's just write like this, OA. So OA is the side of this triangle. Let us search which of these two is the side of this one. OD is the side of the same triangle, so the other one is. So you shift this and it will come to denominator. So this is shifted. This is not shifted. And let us shift this OB, then it will come down. They shifted down. They shifted to the left, come down. So let us write this one as equation 1. Okay. Then let's do this. This is the side of this one, small one. Down is the side of the big one. So let's take the numerator. OA, OD. So between OA and OD, what is the angle? Yes, angle 1. Between OC and OB of this triangle, OC and OB is, these two are equal or not? Let us check. And we know they are equal because they are vertically opposite angles, right? So we see that in these two triangles, using equations 1 and 2, when you take this triangle and this one, you see that two sides of these two triangles are proportional, and the angle between them, between these two sides, angle between the sides are equal. So we have 4 similarity conditions: AAA, AA, SSS, and we see that these two triangles are similar by SAS. Two sides proportional, and included angle means angle between are equal. So let's write, we are going this, let us go in this direction, OAD. So OA, OD. So AOD, let us, because you're going this, not right to left, but left to right, OA to OD. So OA to OD means AOD. Triangle AOD. Then if you go like this, then you have to go like this. It means you cannot go like this, because similar triangles, the position of letters are so important. So OC to OB. First OC to OB. So we cannot go BO, we have to go COB. And we write here, since using SAS, similarity condition of triangles. So if two triangles are similar, then two things always follow, that is, corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are proportional. Second one. First, corresponding angles equal. Second property of the similar triangle is corresponding sides are proportional, but we don't need the sides, so angles is what we're trying to prove. So A is the first letter, so you write there angle A. Then the first letter is called corresponding angle. First letter A and O are not corresponding, so these two are equal, because we know because corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So that is proved now. Now next here, see B is here. second triangle. Then third letter means here also third letter. They will be equal because again there are corresponding angles. So you see here B equal to D, this one, A equal to C, proved, right? So first answer, second answer. One more question before we end this part. So let's go to example 7. Listen carefully to this. This is on page 142, I think. Yes, so let me read the question for us. A girl of height 90 is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So the story is like this. There's a sun here shining. Okay, then lamp post. This one is 3.6 meter above the ground. So this is the A, is the lamp put at a height of 3.6 meter above ground. Then the ray will come and the shadow of the lamp post will be this here, BC. We know this will be 90 because lamp posts are always put perpendicular to the ground. Now, the girl start walking from here and after 4 seconds, reach here, let us say, D, E. So the height of the girl is, question is saying 90 centimeter. After 4 seconds, she walked BD. So BD is the distance covered in 4 seconds. This is the BD is the 4 second distance covered. So they're asking us to find after 4 seconds, she from here, foot of the post to here, she reached after 4 seconds. At that time, what will be the length of her shadow? That's what they're asking. So let's just write here. In the figure, AB is equal to 3.6 meter. Yes, is height of the lamp, the burning lamp, above the ground. Okay. Then here see ED equal to 90 centimeter. But you see here this is in meter, so we have to change this also to meter. For that, by now we have used this on so many occasions. The conversion factor for length or distance, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. So I want to change this centimeter small to the bigger meter, means 2 places. So you have to divide by 2 zeros, 1, 2. Then this will become meter. So here 1 0 means the symbol will shift here to the left side of 9, so 9 meter. This is the height of the girl given in the question. Then at 0 second she was at B, and after 4 seconds she is here. So BD is equal to question mark. Okay, BD is equal to distance. So distance is BD distance. Let us write here. Distance formula is speed into time. So that will be equal to speed is, go to your question. She is running the speed of 1.2 meter per second, and the total time walking is 4 seconds. So this will be 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4.8 meter. Distance covered, okay, in 4 seconds, starting from the base B to here. So that is given. Now, once we are through with that, we can do like this. Since this is similar triangles chapter, we have to do a similar triangle, A, B, C. Then the next triangle also you have to go same order. A went down B. Similarly, E will go down D. And then C. In these two triangles, angle B in this triangle is equal to angle EDC, since each being 90 degrees. because lampposts or people always stand 90 degrees to the ground. So that is it. Then angle C inside this triangle, third letter, here also angle C, because C is the angle of this big triangle and also this one. So they are equal because they are common angles. Now we know there are 4 similar conditions: AAA, AA, SSS, and SAS. So by this here, 2 angles equal. By second condition, AA similarity, triangle ABC will be similar to triangle VDC by using AA similarity condition of triangles. I hope you're getting right. Therefore, the 3 sides will be proportional. First 2 letters means here also first 2 letters, that's called proportional. Second and third here, BC, means here also second and third, that is called proportional. First and third AC here, also first and third, that's called proportional. I'm going to give reason here, since corresponding sides of similar triangles are always proportional to each other. Okay, so once we are through with that, let us take those 2 ratios which we need. The question is saying find the length of the shadow. So the length of the shadow is this DC. So here DC is contained here. And the values given are this ED and AB. So this one is given. So let us take this. So we write AB by ED equal to BC by DC. We can discard this. Then you can just write here AB is 3.6 meter by ED is 0.9 meter. Both has to be in the same unit. BC we don't know. Or BC is BD plus DC. You will agree that this is BD plus DC by down here is DC. So 9 meter cancel, then 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9. 9 zeros are 0, so 36, 9 fours are 36. So multiply this by 0.4 by 0.1, multiply by 10 up and down, the decimal will move and get removed. So BD is already 4.8 meter. We have done it just here, right? 4.8 plus DC is the length of shadow we want to find. So here also DC, distance after 4 seconds. Now once we are through with that, decimal move to the right means 4 divided by here, right? 4.8 plus DC by DC, right? So next cross multiply, then you'll get here this down and up, then 4 DC you'll get. 1 into 4.8 is 4.8 plus 1 into DC is DC. Then 4 DC and the term containing DC you bring this side minus DC. 4.8 meter, sorry. Yeah, meter. 4 DC minus 1 DC is 3 DC. 4.8 meter. Then you write here, because this is what they're asking, length of the shadow, DC. So DC will be equal to 4.8 divided by this, 3 will come down. So if you cancel, 3 ones are 3, 1 in hand, 3 6 are 18, 1.6 meter. Therefore, length of her shadow after 4 seconds, which is DC, is equal to 1.6 meter. This one, the length of her shadow. That's what the question is asking. So that it completes the part. 6 and 7 also done in this class. We'll give the test. Okay.